Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Wilfin here, and we got a CSX, another CSX eastbound at close to like 1:55, departing the yard here after we got signal indication a few minutes ago on the radio, and then it's going a little bit slow here because they had to wait for it's going a little bit slow for a sec because they had to wait and make sure 3017 that went by in the previous was Stackle I-104 is far enough ahead, but it is far enough ahead, I know, because it went by pretty fast, and it's out of the block by now for this guy to go slow behind him. But doesn't need to go too slow because 3017 went by pretty fast to get out way ahead. And he seems to be on, like he said, he was going to be on track 2, so he's on the middle line here. It seems like, yep, that's what it looks like from here. And he's revving up right now, it sounds like. Yup. Almost sounds like he's on the close track here instead, but no, he's on the track 2 middle line. Yep. It's another Stackle, he is. There he goes. This fast Stackle, and yeah, nice K5HL on him too.